Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Abdul Rashid Nori. Today we discuss future continuous tense. It is used to show continuity of action in future, or it is also called imagination continuous tense. So here is an example. She will be enjoying in the rain. So in negative, she will not be enjoying in the rain. Interrogative, will she be enjoying in the rain? And interrogative negative, will she not be enjoying in the rain? So another example, they will be collecting information. In negative sentence, they will not be collecting information. Interrogative, will they be collecting information? Interrogative negative, will they not be collecting information. So another example, king will be uh, oppressing on the slaves. So in negative, king will not oppressing on the slave. And in interrogative, will king be oppressing on the slave? Interrogative negative, will king not be oppressing on the slaves? He will be trying something new. In negative, he will not be trying something new. Interrogative, will he be trying something new? Interrogative negative, will he not be trying something new? My enemies will be chasing me. My enemy will not be chasing me. Interrogative, will my enemies be chasing me? Interrogative negative, will my enemies not be chasing me? So syntax here, affirmative, subject plus shall will plus be plus verb fourth form plus object. In negative, subject plus shall will plus not plus be plus fourth form plus object. In interrogative, shall will plus subject plus be plus verb fourth form plus object after question mark. In interrogative, in negative, shall will plus subject plus not plus be plus verb fourth form plus object after question mark. So children will be spoiling the garden. In negative, children will not spoiling the garden. In interrogative, will children be spoiling the garden? And in interrogative negative, will children not be spoiling the garden? She will be obeying the parents. She will not be obeying the parents. Will she be obeying the parents? Will she not be obeying the parents? My friend will be thinking wrong about me. My friend will not be thinking wrong about me. Will my friend be thinking wrong about me? In interrogative negative, will my friend not be thinking wrong about me? So here another example. Politician will be fooling the public. Politician will not be fooling the public. Will politician be fooling the public? Will politician will not be fooling the public? So I will be welcoming them. So in negative, I will not be welcoming them. Interrogative, will I be welcoming them? Interrogative negative, will I not be welcoming them? Parents will be scolding the children. In negative, parents will not be scolding the children. In interrogative, will parents be scolding the children? In interrogative negative, will parents not be scolding the children? Gardener will be uh, pulking the flowers. gardeners will not be pul- plucking the flowers. Will gardener be plucking the flowers? In interrogative negative. Will gardener not be plucking the flowers? So criminals will be repeating on his mistake. Criminals will not be repeating on his mistake. Interrogative. Will criminals be repeating on his mistake? In interrogative negative. Will criminals not be repeating on his mistake? So I hope that you understand uh, future continuous tense very well, and I hope that you got another more example on this future continuous tense. So we will meet in next video. Thank you.